Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder on the DoorDash app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to order a meal that you've ordered before. How do you actually go ahead and reorder on the DoorDash app? So first things first, let's go ahead and open up our app. Next, let's click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Orders. And from here, you can see that I have a variety of different orders. We're going to go ahead and click on Reorder under the order that you want to go ahead and reorder. So for example, for Japanese curry zen, I can click on reorder and it'll only work if items from my previous order are available. So do make sure, let's try magic noodle real quick. And there you have it. Because magic noodle has all the available items still, you can go ahead and click on continue and there you have it. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reorder on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.